Welcome to Magnetic Mindset, guys. Give me 10 minutes and she'll be in your bed tonight. Not because you played some game, not because you said the perfect line, because you finally became the kind of man her body can't say no to. She's not waiting for a pickup line. She's waiting for a man who doesn't flinch when she tests him, a man whose silence feels like gravity, a man whose energy makes her feel more feminine without asking for permission. Most men talk too much. They try too hard. You're going to do less and mean more. This isn't about tricks or lines. This is about stoic seduction. It's pure psychological heat created by masculine stillness, because the moment she feels that you don't need her, that you won't chase her, and that you don't fold under pressure, she will follow you. Not because you begged, but because you led. Let's begin. Before we dive in, I've got something for you. A free gift. It's my ebook, The Female Mind Control Handbook. It unlocks secrets most men will never understand about attraction. Grab it now. Link in the description or pinned comment. Let's get into it. Talk to her like you already had her. Let me be blunt. Attraction doesn't come from talking about sex. It comes from speaking to her like the tension already exists, like the connection already happened. Most men flirt like they're applying for a job. You're so pretty. I'd love to take you out sometime. Can I kiss you? That's weak energy. If you want her in your bed tonight, erase that gap. Speak to her like you've already seen beneath the surface, like you already own her curves, like you've already heard her whisper your name in the dark. You don't have to brag. You don't need pickup lines. It's in the energy. She says, I don't usually do this. Most guys say, oh, that's okay. We can take it slow. You smirk and say, I know. You're just making an exception for me. That's confidence. That's control. That's presence. You're not reacting to her. You're leading her. And that's what turns her on. Not your words, but the power behind them. She can feel when a man isn't afraid of her sexuality. She senses that you could lead her there if she's ready. You're not asking her to go there. You're simply opening the door without pressure, without force, just calm masculine presence. And here's the twist. When you speak to her like you've already had her, her mind starts playing out that fantasy. And once she begins imagining how it would feel to submit to you, it's game over. That's when the body follows the mind. She leans in, her breathing shifts, she starts touching you more. Her lips linger on the straw. Her eyes can't look away. That's what power looks like when it's silent. Next, use the takeaway technique. Take it away. That's the move almost no man ever makes. You want her to chase you to your bed. Give her the energy. Build the tension, then pull back. When most men feel it working, they lean in harder. They compliment more. They try to close the deal. But not you. You light the flame and step back. Here's what it looks like. You're laughing. She's touching you. The tension is rising. Then, instead of escalating, you glance at your watch and say, you're trouble. I like that. But I need to get going in a minute. Boom. Her body feels the withdrawal instantly. That dopamine spike collapses. She was leaning into you, and now she's chasing the energy. She starts asking questions. She playfully pouts. She tries to stall time. Why? Because now you've created scarcity, and scarcity equals obsession. Most men offer more and more. You offered just enough, and then you walked away. That silence, that pause, it says more than compliments ever could. She'll be the one who texts first. She'll say, I don't know why, but I kind of want to see you again. Or, this feels different. She won't even understand why. It's because you didn't cling, you didn't push, you left the moment at its highest point, and now she wants more. And that leads us to the third principle. Silence turns her on more than words ever will. Let me say it clearly, you don't talk her into bed. Words are noise, and women drown in noise every single day. Men always trying to impress her, flirting, complimenting, oversharing, pushing. It kills arousal. Arousal isn't logical. It's not built from lists or laughter. It's built from energy, space. Mystery of the unknown. Want her desire to spike in the first 10 minutes. Say less. Mean more. Look her in the eye. Let the silence stretch. Let her feel that you're fully present, but not performing. She'll start wondering what you're thinking. And that curiosity, that tension, it lights her body on fire. Most men try to fill it, but you become the pause, the mystery, the calm. Now watch what happens. She'll lean closer. She'll start playing with her hair. She'll touch her necklace. Her breathing will change. Why? Because your silence isn't empty. It's filled with confidence. Marcus Aurelius once said, the soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. So ask yourself, what's the energy you bring into the room? Because if your mind is composed, confident, calm, your presence becomes magnetic. You become the man she dreams about when the lights are off. Fourth, make her feel like a woman, and she'll beg to be yours. There's a secret most men don't know. Every woman you meet is carrying a quiet exhaustion. The world has forced her to be strong, guarded, and tough, but deep down she wants to soften. She wants to be held, led, and seen, not for how strong she can be, but for how deeply she longs to surrender to the right man. And that's where you come in. You don't tell her she's beautiful. You make her feel beautiful. You don't say you'll take care of her. You simply embody the energy of someone who already knows how to lead. You stand tall, you move slow, you speak with that low, certain tone that says, I know who I am and I know what I want. When you look at her, you don't just scan her body, you let your eyes land on her lips, her collarbone, her hips, not to be creepy, not to be a cartoon alpha, but to remind her that you see her as a woman. And here's the magic: when you awaken her feminine energy with your masculine stillness, she won't want to leave your presence. She'll lean in. She'll agree to come over. She'll undress with her eyes long before she takes anything off. And when she does, you don't pounce. You don't rush. You slow down. You undress her with silence. You take your time, because the same energy that got her into your bed is the same energy that will make her want to stay. And that's what separates boys from men. Not games, not tricks, just presence. Masculine, grounded presence. So if you're ready to embody that energy, if you're tired of talking, chasing, and proving yourself, then become the man who doesn't flinch, who doesn't chase, who leads with his silence. That's the man she can't forget. And if you want more of this, if you want to understand what really makes a woman crave, commit, and come back for more, then subscribe to this channel, Magnetic Mindset.